Today we're at Supercomputing 25 here in St. Louis, where we're joined by thousands of our friends and customers learning more about high-performance computing and artificial intelligence and how it can benefit their organizations.
We've made a couple announcements here at Supercomputing. We've updated our Origin AI reference platforms to include the latest GPUs from NVIDIA, the Blackwell, along with several of their different variants. And these GPUs are, of course, very powerful, very sought after, and our reference designs help soften the complexity by being a pre-curated design that we can start as a starting point to work with customers or deploy as it is. The other major announcement is our latest version of ICE clusterware, and it has two major new features. We're announcing our automated remediation, which when you have a large cluster of GPUs, you tend to start to see hiccups on the nodes, and our automated remediation features recognize certain failure patterns and will automatically remediate those without the administrator having to be involved in the loop. So we can handle known problems. The other major addition is our multi-tenancy solution, and this allows for a single cluster to serve multiple customers where they each have data isolation in the cluster, but you have a common set of administrators that are administrating the whole resource. So we think both of these are very important features that will resonate well with several of our key customer verticals.
So we've had some incredible collaboration recently and actually some exciting international expansion in terms of where Penguin's been working. We recently did some really interesting work with a company in Korea, SK on the delivery of a sovereign GPU as a service cluster that we designed, built, deployed, and managed in collaboration with them as a cloud that they're making available to their customers. The exciting thing, it was over 1,000 of the latest NVIDIA B200 GPUs, and it's now utilized at almost 100% on a 24-hour basis, providing value to new large language development within the Korean market.
For people getting into AI and starting to learn about training and inference, the HPC community has a wealth of knowledge to help them manage the complexity of these deployments, because many of the problems that AI training has, that AI inference have, are problems that have already been solved by the HPC community. And so we think 100% of our HPC knowledge translates into helping customers select and design hardware that works for them in their environments.
We've been working in this area for 25 years, so we've seen a lot of evolution. But I would say over the last few years, the biggest evolution's been in finding ways to take this fantastic GPU technology and apply it to business problems in ways that deliver customers a completely customized, but also high-value result. The idea of AI happening in waves is something that we've observed as AI has really come into the forefront. Wave one was clearly people's first uses of AI, and that took place with the hyperscalers and some major companies developing these massive systems and massive models that we've all heard about in the news. This most recent wave we talk about as wave two is where enterprises are now picking up on that great base work that was done to figure out how can I take that technology and apply it to my business for the benefit of what we're doing. And so a lot of the work we're doing now is allowing customers to understand how to adapt this great opportunity that they have and map it to the technology. In terms of our differentiated value, I think it's a little bit about living in the future. I like to think that we're operating a little bit ahead of where our customers all the time and anticipating how can these new developments that are taking place map uniquely to the problems they're trying to solve. Some examples of where some of that living in the future is taking place right now is in the area of large memory delivery, which are some new announcements that we have here at the event, software evolution that we're making, and then this constant evolution that we have around the architecture that we're bringing to our customers in order to deliver solutions.
For customers who are here at Supercomputing, I would love for them to leave with the knowledge that Penguin has a full breadth of solutions, both pre-packaged like our Origin AI to full-on custom, and we bring a wealth of experience to customers that we're working with to deliver their HPC and AI compute.
In terms of Penguin solutions and people's takeaway, I would say, two words would be embrace and explore, meaning, don't be afraid of the technology and also look for ways to work with people who can bring you the most customized and the latest access to the most powerful technology available. So if people want to learn more about Penguin solutions, they can visit us here, Supercomputing 25, at booth 1326, where we can set up a meeting one-on-one with one of our experts. If it's after the show, visit us at www.penguinsolutions.com. We'd be happy to set up a virtual session where we can learn more about what you're trying to achieve and see how we might be able to deliver value.